Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika, the channel, a channel where we make jewelry and craft DIY tutorials, a lot more. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful terracotta and air dry clay earrings. So let's get straight with that. Consider clicking the like button, guys. I do appreciate that. If you want more such videos in the future, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon. Whenever I'm gonna upload new videos, you're gonna get notified about it. Also, I have an amazing PDF for you for your own jewelries. It contains a top 100 of my unique jewelry ideas and designs and patterns, which you can download it. It's a PDF download. The link is in description box below. Either you can take a printout of it, or you can simply use them for creating your own jewelry line for your business or for your personal use or for gifting it to someone else. The link is in description box below. Without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. beautiful terracotta and green anodized clay earrings. Hopefully you find this tutorial useful. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. I'll gonna see you in the next video with the next tutorial. Till then, take care. Bye guys.